together 1 teaspoon of ginger that we previously chopped, 1 teaspoon of garlic that we chopped, chili powder, yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric and salt. Cube your chicken breasts before adding them into the bowl of the yogurt mixture to marinate. Mix the chicken and the yogurt mixture and make sure it's all properly coated. Cover your chicken and put it in the fridge to sit for 30 minutes.
Chop your onion.
Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a pan.
Pour your chopped onions into the pan and saute the onions in the oil until transparent and slightly brown. Chop your 2 tomatoes. New pan, add oil to coat the bottom of a large pot. Add the rest of the seasonings, the cut up tomatoes, and the tomato sauce.
Add your curry seasoning to the chicken yogurt mixture and stir until evenly incorporated. Add chicken to the tomato and onion mixture and add 1.5 cups of water. Stir. Next, prepare your rice as described on the package. We are going to be microwaving it, but you can also cook it on the stove. Rice is cooked. Plate it with the cooked chicken. Enjoy!